Hi everyone! Welcome back to Buana's Kitchen. Today, we will make moist carrot cupcakes to celebrate the Easter holiday. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the cupcakes, we will need 1 1/2 cup of finely grated carrots, 1 cup of plain flour, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. For the frosting, we will need 600 ml of double cream, 1/2 cup of white sugar, 200 grams of cream cheese, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, sieve the flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. And give it a mix. And set this aside. In another bowl, add the sugar, oil, and beat it together using a hand mixer. Then, add in the eggs one at a time. Then, add the dry ingredients and mix them together until well combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Then, add in the finely grated carrots. And fold them together until well incorporated. Fill each cupcake liner with the mixture about halfway full. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 160 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, let the cupcakes completely cool. While waiting, prepare the frosting. In a bowl, add the cream cheese, beat it using a hand mixer, add the white sugar, continue beating, add the vanilla extract, Then, scrape the sides of the bowl. Add the double cream and beat them together until stiff peaks are achieved. Once the cupcakes has cooled down, pipe the frosting on top of the cupcake. I'm using a Wilton 1M. Then if you have toppers, you can put them on top, or you can pipe a carrot using the remaining frosting. By the way, there are a lot of cream cheese frosting left. You can use this for another batch of cupcakes, or you may need to have the recipe so that you're not gonna have a lot of leftover. And here's our finished product! These cupcakes are so moist and with a nice hint of cinnamon and topped with creamy cream cheese frosting. I hope you'll give this a try. And this is what it looks like inside. It looks so moist. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment down below, subscribe and hit the bell as it helps the channel a lot. Thank you for watching and happy Easter! Bye!